There's many colors. Wow! Hello kids, welcome to my channel Chiku Kids. Let's learn today alphabets A to Z, A to Z alphabets and colors. Brown color, purple color, orange color, blue color, pink color, blue color, green color, black color, pink color, yellow color, red color, dark green color, cyan color, red color. A for ant, red color. B for banana, orange color. C for candy, yellow color. D for donuts, green color. E for elephant, blue color. F for fruits, red color. G for grapes, orange color. H for honey, yellow color. I for ice cream, green color. J for juice, blue color. K for kite, red color. L for lemon, orange color. M for monkey, yellow color. N for nuts, green color. O for octopus, blue color. P for pen, red color. Q for queen, orange color. R for rabbit, yellow color. S for strawberry, green color. T for train, blue color. U for umbrella, red color. V for van, orange color. W for water, yellow color. X for xylophone, green color. Y blue color. Y for yak. Z for zebra, red color. Kids, if you like my video, please subscribe Chiku Kids and like my video. Bye bye kids, see you next video.